Hello everyone, welcome back to SKCAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in SolidWorks software. You can see the base dimension here 66, 165 and thickness is 12 mm. First I will create this base. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for the updates. Select here extrude, select the top plane, create one center rectangle, give the dimensions 66 and 165 mm. And also there is a one slat cutout. Length is 36 and diameter 15 mm. For that, select here 2-point slot. Give the dimensions. (36 mm). Sorry, diameter is 15. This is 36. Here to here. (45, 42). Next, here select offset entities. So distance we want 4 mm. Okay, that's it. So sketch is fully defined. Finish sketch. Select this face, give depth 12 mm. Friends, in this future maybe 16 software not there. If it is not there, you can re-extrude again. Select sketch again, extrude, select this face, length we required 20 mm. Control 7. Next select this face, sketch, create one circle, give the dimensions. The outer dia is 56, inner dia is 34. And also you can see the side dimensions 42 and 54 mm. From the side 42 mm. So next select line. Friends, if you are enjoying the session, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. Just tangent, connect this side also. Okay, trim entities, trim this line. So finish sketch. We need to connect here also. Go to edit sketch, just convert entities, select this edge, finish. Next extrude, select the sketch, extrude, reverse the direction, 12 mm. Okay. Mirror this extrude, select the mid plane. Okay. Next, select the front plane again, sketch, create one circle here, outer dia is 48 and inner dia is 35. From the base dimension is 50, from the side dimension also 50. Extrude, mid plane, length we required 66 mm. Okay. So actually we need to edit this sketch. The inner diameter is 20 mm. Okay. Next, select the front plane again, sketch, select convert entity, select this circle. Okay. Select line here, create line like this, give the dimensions here to here 60 mm, this is 30. So that's it. Trim entities, trim the top circle. Finish sketch. Extrude, thickness is 9 mm. And also here there is a offset. Offset dimension is 9 mm. Okay. Next, select the extrude. Go to mirror. Mirror about center plane. Okay. Next, here there is a one cutout. Create one circle. Give the dimension. (35 mm). Convert entity, select this circle, or that is not required also. The depth is 12 mm. Finish sketch, extruded cut, depth give 12 mm. Go to ISO view, Control 7. I hope all the features are completed. If anything is missing, please leave the comment below. So now we can assign standard materials here. See, there are all the standard materials. I will go with metal. In the metal, you can choose as per your application. I will choose aluminum. In the aluminum, there are some polishes here. So like this, polish will assign. I will go with polished aluminum. Go to edit appearances. You can edit the color here like this. So that's the today's session, friends. I hope everyone enjoyed this session, and also I am requesting, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thanks for watching this session, friends.